Like the nearby Los Angeles area, the Ventura Oxnard area is seeing rent growth levels accelerate, even despite mediocre economic growth. Welcome to Apartment Market Dynamics from MPF Research. I'm Jay Parsons with your Ventura Oxnard update. We talked earlier this quarter about how Los Angeles is finally stringing together some good rent growth numbers following a long string of underperforming numbers relative to the U.S. norm. A similar story is emerging just north of L.A. in Ventura County. And let's start with that. Here's a look at year-over-year rent growth patterns in the Ventura Oxnard area using the same store sample. From 2011 to 2013, the metro average rent growth of just 2.4%, well underperforming the national norms. But we've seen better numbers in each of the first 3 quarters of 2014. As of Q3, rent growth measured 3.7% annually, right on par with the U.S. average. And the pickup in rent growth doesn't appear to trace to any newfound momentum in the local economy. Growth here is still mediocre, and there's still a jobs deficit relative to where the market was prior to the recession. Rather, it appears that apartment operators are finally getting more aggressive in their pricing strategy, especially given that occupancy rates have been consistently high. As of Q3, occupancy came in at 97.4%, and it's been above 96% since the middle of 2011. So let's go back to the rent growth topic. Looking at results by submarket, there's still quite a bit of volatility, so I wouldn't read too far into this list, but for what it's worth, here's year-over-year rent growth by submarket as of Q3. Strong growth around 5% in Ventura, Oxnard, and Camarillo. The laggard is Thousand Oaks, but this one has been especially volatile, fluctuating violently between big hikes and flatness. Now, the big question going forward is, can rent growth bounce up to the levels that we saw in the mid-2000s prior to the recession, when rent growth here averaged around 5% annually? And again, like Los Angeles, today's numbers are better than the most recent pattern, but they're still above those norms from prior to the recession. And like Los Angeles, it's pretty hard to see how we can sustain norms at that level going forward, at least on a consistent basis, given the economic and demographic challenges in Southern California. So even with few vacancies, we think affordability challenges could limit long-term rent growth potential in the Ventura Oxnard area. And that's not to say that performance is going to be bad. We think it should be good, but probably not great. And that wraps it up for Ventura County. So until next time, for Apartment Market Dynamics and MPF Research, I'm Jay Parsons. Thank you for watching.
Want more? Go deeper with NPF Research's apartment market reports. From a national level, down to individual metros, to specific neighborhoods, NPF Research has been providing unparalleled apartment market intelligence to the multifamily industry for almost 5 decades. Learn more by contacting us at 877-284-4938 or visit www.npfresearch.com and click on Market Reports.